Hello, this is Peter from First Maths, and today we're going to be looking at giving practice in equivalent decimals, fractions and percentages for Year 6. The resources you need today will be worksheet sets A and B, which are in this video, blue tack or masking tape, mental learning objective, expressing simple fractions or decimals as percentages and vice versa, mental learning task. Today you're going to be thinking about the equivalent values of percentages, decimals and fractions. What do you understand by 25%? Pause the video and tell your teacher. This can be written as 25% or 25 out of 100. If you look at it, how many 25s are there in 100? There are 4 25s in 100. 4 times 25 equals 100. So that equals 1/4. How else could this be written? How many other ways can you think about? Pause the video and tell your teacher. Can this be written in any other ways? What do you understand by 40%? This can also be written as 40 out of 100. How else can this be written? Pause the video and tell your teacher. Can this be written in any other ways? What do you understand by 75%? This can also be written as 75 out of 100. How else could this be written? Pause the video and tell your teacher. Can this be written in any other ways again? Pause the video and tell your teacher. Mental learning objective. Expressing simple fractions or decimals as percentages and vice versa. Main learning objective. Expressing simple fractions or decimals as percentages and vice versa. Expressing simple fractions as decimals and vice versa. Percentages, fractions and decimals are equivalent ways of writing a number. This is the big idea of the day, so remember it. Main learning task. Put children into groups of 3 or 4. Distribute the dominoes from set A so each group has one. Ask each group to copy their domino neatly onto a sheet of A4 paper. Here is the group A paper. Stick the copy of a domino with a double percentage onto the board with blue tack or masking tape. Who has a domino which would fit either end of this domino? Continue till a domino makes a ring. These are the group A domino. So look at these and work out who can make a ring using these dominoes. Pause the video until you have finished this activity. Main learning task. Discuss why each answer is right or wrong. Percentages can be expressed as decimals, so 25% can be written as 25% or 0.25. What else is 0.25 the same as? Pause the video and tell your teacher. That's right, it is 1/4. Distribute the dominoes from set B. Ask your pupils to complete the new domino ring. When you have finished, write down the matched pairs you have used. Here is set B. Pause the video and complete the task. Make them so that they all match together to make one ring. How would you do that? Main learning task. When you are finished, make your own domino set using percentages, fractions and decimals and words if you choose. Main learning objective. Expressing simple fractions or decimals as percentages and vice versa. Expressing simple fractions as decimals and vice versa. Plenary. Pick up any domino and copy on the board one of the numbers, a percentage, a fraction or a decimal. What are some of the alternative ways of writing this number? Pause the video and discuss. Give a percentage value, then the fraction, and then the decimal equivalent. Pause the video and complete this task. Homework. Continue with the domino set you started inventing. Review of a key idea. Percentages, fractions and decimals are equivalent ways of writing a number. Did you learn that today? Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a like below. Please subscribe to my channel and also press the notification bell to be informed every time I upload a maths resource. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye.